Alright, we're here in the turbo tent, my little carport. The car has not moved since I hurt the engine back in March. We're now in middle August. But I had the battery charger on for a while. The car does run, it just makes an awful noise. We're thinking it's a rod bearing. But yeah, the battery was dead, so I put the charger on it. And I think what I'm going to do is start it up, pull it out front, give it a bath because this thing is just filthy. And then I'm going to take it down to the garage and we'll start tearing it down tomorrow. The reason why I want to do that is just so get it there tonight, let it cool off overnight so we're not trying to work on a hot engine, trying to tear down a hot engine. So we'll let it cool down overnight. But yeah, let's see if it starts. This thing is just filthy. What a machine. Yeah, that sounds awful. Yeah, alright, it starts. I'm not going to let it run too long. I have to drive it. So it's only like a mile or two. But I'm just going to baby it. Baby it as much as I can. Get it there. And yeah, I'm going to pull it out front. Wash it because it's absolutely filthy. Even though it was under here. But like birds somehow get in here and poop on it. But yeah, I'm gonna pull it out front and give it a bath. Alright, we're in the Camaro. Let's take it out front. I haven't driven it in 3 months. Oh yeah, sounds great. God, can't see anything out this window. She has sounded much better. Oh my God. Here. I really gotta put AC back in this thing one day. Oh my God, it's absolutely filthy. Look at this. Holy shit. What is it? Dead bees? Filthy. Filthy, filthy. God. Alright, I'm gonna give it a bath. Alright, got it all washed up. It's back to its old self again, somewhat. Now, just waiting on my buddy Travis, which he's right here. He's gonna follow me. And we're gonna drive it down in the garage. I'm just gonna baby it. I think it'll be alright. It's only like a mile or two. So, yeah, see what happens. Alright, we are on our way. Sounds awful. Come on, baby. It's not a long ride. It's like a mile and a half, 2 miles. Try and putz it. It's hot in here. Oof, that's loud. We're thinking it's a rod bearing, but we'll find out soon enough. Oh yeah, kind of like marbles. This is so nerve-wracking. Of course I had to get a red light. Come on. T-tops leak. It's normal. This guy's gonna die. Travis, you're supposed to be behind me, bro. Put my 4-ways on. There we go. Alright. I'll tune back in a minute. This is the old test hit road. Should we make a hit? I don't think so. Just fucking scatter it all over the road. Blow it up the right way. No, I think if it's just a rod bearing, it'll be fairly easy to fix. Rather than, you know, window in the block or something. Where you destroy everything. Send, you know, pieces through the turbo, just heads of shot, this, that, and the other thing. So, I mean, it is the most pussy way to blow an engine up, but it's also probably the best way. I don't know what else would be. Maybe even if it was a broken piston, you might have pieces coming through the turbo and fucking up your valves, fucking up your heads. So I'm grateful for that, I guess. Hear it echoing off the trees, but it still has oil pressure. So usually if it's a main bearing, you lose oil pressure, and it doesn't seem to be misfiring, so it's not like a rocker or a lifter, I don't think. Yeah, it's probably a rod bearing. It's probably spun a rod bearing. We'll find out soon enough. We'll probably have this thing out tomorrow. The engine tore out. Alright, made it. So let it cool off overnight, and then we'll get after it in the morning.